Tricky words set 7. T-H-E-Y they. T-H-E-Y they. T-H-E-Y they. They are watching a scary movie. O-U-T out. O-U-T out. O-U-T out. The dog ran out of the house. D-O-W-N down. D-O-W-N down. D-O-W-N down. The cat climbed down the tree. N-O-W now. N-O-W now. N-O-W now. Amy hurt her finger, but it's better now. M-R-S Mrs. M-R-S Mrs. M-R-S Mrs. Our new English teacher is Mrs. Hill. O-N on. O-N on. O-N on. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. T-H-I-S this. T-H-I-S this. T-H-I-S this. This is my favorite book. D-A-D dad. D-A-D dad. D-A-D dad. My dad likes fishing. C-A-M-E came. C-A-M-E came. C-A-M-E came. A letter came in the mail today. C-A-L-L-E-D called. C-A-L-L-E-D called. C-A-L-L-E-D called. Ben called a taxi to go to the airport. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.